Hey all, welcome back to Namrata's YouTube channel, and today I'm just gonna show you how I created this look and how you can get maximum pigment from any metallic shadow. So starting off with the before look, that is my bare face, and at first I'm gonna do the brows today. So I'll be using that KVD Brow Struck Dimension powder, but before that I set my brow hairs with a wax. That wax bar is from Amazon. You can check the product link in the description box below. And now I started filling my brows. And now it's time to clean up around my brows, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tip Concealer today. This is in the shade tan, and always make sure to use any flat tip brush for this purpose. That way you can get to the edges and clean up if there are any mess, and then blending that concealer with a regular concealer brush. And then I move forward with the face makeup, and for primer today I'm going to use the Touch in Sol No Pore Blem primer. This is one of the best pore filling primer I've tried till date. And for foundation today I'm using Maybelline Dream Urban Cover foundation with SPF 15. This is best for any daytime events, and I love the finishing of it. It gives very natural dewy finishing, although it has very medium buildable coverage. And the shade I'm using here is called Soft Tan. And for concealer, again, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tip in the shade Tan, and I think it's needless to say how great this concealer is. So many of you might already tried this one. It's one of the best full coverage concealer you could ever have. So if you haven't tried yet, go get this one. And to set my face, I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder in the shade Blondie, and just using a fluffy brush to set my face with that loose powder. And to add little definition to my face, I'm using the Maybelline bronzer today. This is their City Bronzer, and I'm using the shade Deep. I don't know why this bronzer is so underrated. No one talks about it. I really don't know why, but this works so nicely. It blends very easily, and the amount of product you're getting in this packaging is great. I mean, for bronzer, it will last you for years. And yeah, I'm using it on all the regular spots, and then using that loose powder one more time to highlight right below the bronzed areas. That way the bronzer will create very nice depth to your face. And now I'm gonna use that same bronzer on my crease on my eyes to create little depth over there. And then I moved forward with the eyeshadow palette, and for eyes today I'm gonna use a single palette, that is the BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette. And the shade I'm going to use majorly, that is that royal blue metallic shadow, which is called Denim. And I love all the metallics from this palette, so today I'm going to do a hack to get the maximum pigment out of the shade. That is, I scratched up a little bit of pigment, you can see already. And now I'm going to take few drops of this Inglot Duraline to mix up this pigment, and it will turn it into a very creamy thick consistency, more like a creamy eyeshadow. And the pigment will be outstanding. Just wait and watch. So if you think your eyeshadow is not pigmented enough, or if you don't have those multiple colored eyeliner, then don't worry, just get a Inglot Duraline. You can melt any eyeshadow into a liquid base, so that will work as eyeliner. So you can see I'm using that creamy base to create this shape on my eyes, just with the help of a flat brush. And one more time using that concealer to clean up the edges. That will erase if there are any unevenness, and it will give more clean look. And then I'm going to use this Hydra liner by SUVA Beauty, and the shade I'm using here, it's a neon pink. It's called Scrunchie. I love this water activated liners. These are super highly pigmented, and I'm just adding a little hint of pink in this blue. That way this look turned out so nice, so vibrant. And now we are gonna do the lower lash line. I just applied the rest of the pigment in the outer third of the lower lash line and fill the waterline with illegal glide eyeliner. And now I'm curling my lashes. Always hold your eyelash curler for a few seconds and then apply the mascara that will actually lift your eyelashes up. And for mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Lash Lift mascara today. And that's pretty much it for the eyes, but to complete this look I'm gonna wear Falsies today. This is by Ardell. And now I'm gonna do the rest of the makeup, that is blush, lip color and highlighter, of course. So for blush I'm using the Makeup Revolution blush palette and applying that on my cheeks and all the usual spots. And for highlighter today I chose one of my favorites from MAC Cosmetics. If you want to see all the product details, make sure to check the description box below. I'll put all the details over there. And in case if you're curious to know my top 5 favorite highlighters, then please check the description box as well, because I made that video recently. I'll put the link over there. And now I'm doing my lips. So started off with lining my lips with Kylie Cosmetics Ginger Lip Liner, and to fill my lips today I'm using the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Pen in the shade Uncuffed. And at the end I used MAC Fix Plus to set my face with. And that was it for today's look. It was very easy to create and very quick as well. So if you wanna see this kind of old school makeup tutorial, then also let me know. I'd be very happy to create those looks for you. And if you are not subscribed to this channel yet, then please do it, and don't forget to hit the like button if you think this video helped you. So yeah, this is it. I'll be back with the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.